Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Very OddParents dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Very OddParents dimension and get all your wishes granted, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Very OddParents dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But before I show you this absolutely amazing add-on, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, guys, please make sure to subscribe, guys, because I am trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. So please make sure to subscribe, guys, if you have not already subscribed. And if you have already subscribed, I thank you guys for your support. I love every single one of you guys. But how you actually make the frame to head to this dimension is you're going to need pink wool, and you're going to want to go ahead and place 2 of them, just like that, guys. I kid you not, just like that. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to place 1 line wool on one side, 1 line wool on the other, just like that, guys. I am not kidding you. That is how you do it. Then you're just going to want to go ahead, jump on up on your line wool, and then you're going to place 1, 2, 3 pink wool, and then 1 lime wool, guys. And then you might just want to look around, make sure that you don't see any suspicious activity like the evil proctor, or maybe a full moon in the middle of the day. Wow, that is word that we would see a full moon in the middle of the day, guys. But to build the other side of this frame, all you want to do is place 1, 2, 3 pink wool, then 1 lime wool on top, and then 2 pink wool in the middle, just like that, guys. Now you can just go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at the absolutely amazing, gorgeous, beautiful frame you have just created, guys. Let's go ahead and light this baby up now. Boom! Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Now it's time to grab my lucky talking potato and head into this dimension. Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Maybe this potato isn't so lucky, guys. Maybe this potato's a tracking device that the evil proctor somehow got into my hands and was trying to follow me to the Very OddParents house. But I ditched it, so now he can't follow me to this absolutely amazing dimension. Wow. This house is absolutely beautiful. Let me just look through the windows, guys, because I don't want the dad or mom to be home, because then they'll probably try to kick me out. Like, what are you doing up in here, you stranger? And then they'll probably just like throw me out into another dimension, which would probably be like a poopy dimension or something, guys. But whoa, look at this sofa and this TV, guys. I would love just to sit here all day and watch the Very OddParents, guys. Like, it's a dream of mine. Oh my god, this is a bathroom? Whoa, look at this tub, guys. Wow, I guess you can take a bath, then you can hop out, and you can go ahead and take a poop. If you want to, guys, if you want to. A lot of people think, you know, you're dirty again if you take a duty after you bath, so you might have to hop back into the bath if that is the case. And oh my god, we just spawned a baby pig. You know what? He's probably kind of dirty. So let me just go ahead and try to give him a bath. Where are you going? No, come on. Hop in there. There we go, guys. Look at him. Oh my god, he's farting in the water. All them bubbles, guys. He must be really tooting it up, guys. Ew, I'm getting out of here, guys. I do not want to smell that. Let's go ahead and shut that on back. And whoa, is this their kitchen? Oh my god. They eat fish? What? Are these other OddParents? And if this is other OddParents, then they eat other OddParents? That's crazy, but I'm sure my villager would do it. Oh no, he's obviously scared by it. You don't have to be afraid of it. No, don't leave. Oh my god, he disappeared. One of the OddParents must have got him. Oh my god, he's a goner, guys. Let me go ahead and head on up here, see if I can find the OddParents. It's Timmy Turner. Oh my god, I've heard so much about you, like how your mom and dad was expecting a daughter, but they had you, and that's why you constantly wear pink, and about how this is obviously Cosmo, and this is obviously Wanda. What, it isn't? There's Wanda. Oh my god. She's flying. And oh my god, there's Cosmo hanging on the wall. Wow, he looks so much like this fish though. Like this might be his brother. That might be it. This might be his evil brother. Let me go ahead and try to put him in the fish tank. Oh my god, he's flopping on the flare now, guys, because we accidentally missed the fish tank. I'm sure you'll pick him up and do something, but oh my god, I'm in love with this TV, guys. Wow, he has absolutely humongous TV. And oh my god, whose room is this? Is this his mom and dad's room? This is obviously Cosmo's and Wanda's room. And oh my god, right here's Wanda's wand. And then right here's Cosmo's foot? What? Why would he have a foot, guys? Unless this is the Easter rabbit's foot. Oh my god. He has the Easter rabbit's foot, guys. Did you know about this, guys? Huh? Did you know about this, Wanda? Oh my god, guys. I better get out of here. Obviously, when I booped the wand, it obviously brought back my villager. Let me go ahead and try to boop him again and make him smart. Nope. It definitely did not make him smarter, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also make sure to let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.